Hi everyone, I am Chris Daniel Vitales from BS Information System 1B. Today, I want to explain Boolean, algebra, and digital logic in a simple and real-life way, and how they connect to both IT and IS. At first, this topic looked kind of technical, but when I understood it, everything about computers started to make more sense. The main discussion: what is Boolean algebra? The Boolean algebra is basically the way computers say yes or no, or true or false. They don't think like humans, no long sentences, no emotions. And even though it's simple, this is what helps a computer decide what to do next. It's like giving your brain only two choices but still being able to solve big problem. So, digital logic. Digital logic uses those true or false rules to create logic gates like and, or, and not. These gates are tiny components inside every device we use. Every tap, every click, every search, somewhere inside logic gates are making quick decision for us. So let's proceed to connection to IT, information technology. In IT, Boolean logic is everywhere. When programmers write conditions like if and else, that's already Boolean logic. When networks send data and choose the best path, they follow logic rules. When cybersecurity checks if someone should be allowed or blocked, that's also true or false logic. So, in IT, Boolean algebra helps computers operate, connects, and stay safe. And here, let's proceed in connection to IS, information systems. In information systems, Boolean logic shows up in the way systems handle information when you search something in a database using and, or not. That's Boolean logic. When a system decides, should I approve this or should I run this process? It uses true or false, checks, even permissions like allowed or denied are based on Boolean rules. So, in IS, Boolean logics help systems make smart decisions and give accurate results. So, this is my simple summary. Boolean algebra is true or false, and digital logic uses logic gates, and the IT computers use true or false to run programs, networks, and security. And the last one is IS. Systems use true or false to filter data, decide actions, and control access. So, and here, this is my conclusion. Understanding this topic taught me that behind every app, website, or system we use, there's always a simple true or false decision happening. IT and IS may look complicated from the outside, but at the core, it all starts with Boolean algebra. For me, as a IS student, it made me appreciate how something so small, just 1 and 0, can make technology work the way it does today. Thank you.